Welcome back in, everyone, to the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again. We talked about warm temperatures moving our way yesterday. They have moved in. In fact, today we're over 30 degrees in many locations around the area, and we have some light rain that has been reported in the North Pole area, so watch out driving because obviously that could freeze when it hits the road contact and give you freezing rain. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Photograph night sent in by James Clough, the Alaska Range sunrise. You can see here, once again, the beautiful colors of the Alaska Range in the distance there and the city in the foreground. Again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to us at photos@ktvf11.com. We'll share it with the rest of the audience. Here's your almanac for today. Today's high 33 degrees. The overnight low last night, 27. A record high 35 in 1982. A record low 57 below in 1961. Sunrise and sunset about 3 hours and 58 minutes. A gain of 2 minutes from yesterday. We'll go over the 4-hour barrier tomorrow. That's worth celebrating. On our satellite and radar, you can see once again the flow is coming right out of the south. Look at all the Alaska Range blocking out all the moisture from moving in to the Fairbanks area. A little closer look at the radar. You can see the Alaska Range sitting right about here. Again, the moisture is just being blocked out and being shot over the top of the Fairbanks area over to the mountains to the north of us, and we're not really getting anything but a few pockets of moisture here and there, but they are bringing some sprinkles, so keep that in mind. Elsewhere across the state, rain has returned over southeast Alaska. A little rain and snow around the Anchorage Bowl, 33 degrees there. Along the Aleutian chain, mainly cloudy skies. Clear to partly cloudy skies up and down the west coast. Cloudy skies on the north slope, 1 degree below at Barrow. And Fort Yukon, 18 above. So not too bad. Lower 48 weather, they're getting ready for a big winter storm. All the ingredients are coming together. The cold temperatures. The showers that we had over Los Angeles have moved out, but they're going to return. Pretty chilly in Dallas, 45 degrees there. Minneapolis, 4 degrees. And rain falling around the Miami area. On the satellite radar, you can see a little bit of snow shower activity moving across the northern and central and southern plains, while over to the California area, the storm is taking shape. You can see the circulation starting to develop on the last area of satellite picture here. And when it all comes together, here's what's expected to happen. 1 to 3 inches of snow once again in Las Vegas area. A lot of snow near Flagstaff, Arizona, maybe in the 2 feet area expected there. And elsewhere, as that storm moves on the plains, it'll be bringing with it quite a wild bit of weather too. Rain, heavy, all the way over the deep south, and then the cold temperatures continue across the Great Lakes, and the harsh cold will slowly work its way back to the north. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Blizzard conditions expected in the Barrow area. Periods of snow for Nome and also at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, the winds are finally starting to die down. Scattered snow showers at Fairbanks and Delta, and a little bit of snow is likely for the Healy region. Over southeast Alaska, it looks like occasional rain at Juneau with cloudy skies and a chance of rain in Ketchikan. And over the southwest part of the state, cloudy skies in Bethel, partly cloudy skies at Cold Bay and also at Kodiak Island. And down around the Anchorage Bowl area, rain and snow in Anchorage, cloudy skies at Homer, 2 to 4 inches of snow expected for Valdez. All right, time once again for our weather fact as the kids are still on vacation. And the weather fact is in 1955, Anchorage had 47 inches of snow on the ground at this time in 1955, but today there's only 6 on the ground. So what a difference some snowfall can make as far as big storms coming around. Thanks to Mount McKinley Bank. And of course, the kids are on vacation until the 6th of January. The youngsters from Pearl Creek Elementary will be here next week as we once again resume our kids' weather program. Tonight, 17 degrees below zero, or I should say 17 degrees above zero, with light freezing rain possible, then some snow showers later on. Tomorrow's forecast, scattered snow showers, not quite as warm as it was today, but still way above normal, 27 degrees. But the 5-day outlook is calling for a cooling trend to move back into the area. In fact, we're looking at temperatures dropping down to the single digits above, with overnight lows also cooling down, but not that bad for this time of year. We can also be looking at the possibility of snow moving out of the picture, being replaced by lots of sunshine. So tonight it could be a little dicey, guys, because there are some pockets of moisture out there, so we've got to keep an eye out for the possibility of some light rain.